Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Modern Pinoy Cooking. Today I'm going to cook laing topped with some crispy lechon belly cooked in an air fryer. Let's start, guys. Alright, so I'm going to use dried taro leaves and I'm going to soak this for 30 minutes with some hot water. And while waiting for this, I'm gonna go ahead and cook our pork belly, and we're going to add some salt, and we're going to boil this for an hour and 10 minutes. And while waiting, let's start prepping our aromatics, starting with some ginger, chop it up, and 5 cloves of garlic. We're going to mince this up, and we're also going to need half of red onions. I'm gonna chop this up as well. Okay, now let's work on our taro leaves. What I'm trying to do here is trying to squeeze out all the water I can get, because I don't want that smoky flavor at the end. For some reason, this one, the dried ones, has that smoky or funny flavor at the end. So make sure you work on that. Okay, now we're going to cook this for another hour. And I am going to add vinegar. And make sure you cover this and simmer under medium heat. Okay, now guys, we're going to preheat our air fryer and add a cup of water. And for those who are new to my channel, guys, I post weekly, and if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Okay guys, let's prep our pork belly. I'm gonna slice this up, and then I'm going to add salt, and let's pop it in the air fryer. We're going to air fry this for 20 minutes. Okay, and while we are waiting, we're going to cook our shrimp. And this is about 1.5 pounds of shrimp. We're going to cook this for a minute. And we're gonna set it aside. And using the same oil, we're going to saute our onions. And adding our ginger and garlic. Give it a good mix, and let's add our meat from the pork belly. And now we're going to add our shrimp paste. Okay, let's add 3 cups of coconut milk, and we'll bring this to a boil. And now we're transferring our taro leaves, and we're going to add it onto our coconut soup. All right, I'm gonna mix this up, and I'm going to add 1.5 cups of the pork broth and some chili. Okay, after 45 minutes, we're going to bring our shrimp back in and stir this up for 45 seconds. But basically this is done, guys. So let's put this in the plate. Look at that, that looks good, right? Oh, you know what? I want to hear that pork belly. See if it's crispy. Oh, wow. Oh, that is good. All right. There you have it. That's it for today's video. Guys, if you enjoyed it, please smash that like button and share it with your friends. Again, until next time. Bye.